My name is Hazem Gaber, and today we're going to learn how to upgrade to Ubuntu desktop if you're tired of just typing a bunch of text. The first thing you want to do is make sure that all your packages are updated. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to type sudo apt get update. So this is going to check for any software updates. And if there are any, then they'll get installed. If you don't do that, then your upgrade won't work. So the second thing you want to do is go to type sudo apt get install ubuntu desktop. Now, this is a more complicated thing because obviously the desktop comes with a ton of packages, and I mean a ton. So like hundreds of packages. So you press yes, and then now it just installs. So it's showing you in real time how long it's taken to download all the different packages. So mind you, this is a server that's in the cloud, so it's pretty quick because it's from one cloud server to another. So we've almost gotten, so we're at 100% basically. All of our packages downloaded, and now it's going to unpack them, including Firefox, which takes a long time. Now, this is a time when you can browse Reddit or do something else because it's gonna take 10 to 15 to 20 to 30 minutes to an hour. I don't even remember how long. And I did this yesterday. The thing that you want to make sure is don't disconnect the SSH because you can screw up the server. You do. You want to be able to get back in. So there's no task manager to see if it's stuck, but I've never seen it get stuck. Why they like Linux is because every package does one thing and one thing only. That's why I think it's so great. People that use Linux. Hey, while you're waiting, you could post in the comments. Do you like Vim or Nano or Emacs? I remember when I was in university, the professor used PDF LaTeX to make pop quizzes, and every person in our class ended up with a different quiz automatically. These were not multiple choice quizzes, and one of the questions was, describe an application in Linux, and some guy wrote Nano is a powerful editor. And the professor spent the whole class, not the whole class, but a good chunk of the class discussing why Nano is not a powerful editor for text. There are three text editors on Linux. They're Nano, Vim, and Emacs, and there's a whole tribe of people who love Vim, and there's a whole group of people who love Emacs, and I don't know the difference. So somebody tell me which one you like. So it's just unpacking all of these different applications, including wallpapers. You're probably wondering, well, okay, where's my desktop? How do I open my desktop? Where's my desktop? How do you get from a GUI or from a text-based system to graphics? Where are the graphics? How do the graphics pop out of here? That's a good question. I'm gonna find out soon, I hope. How many more packages are there? Lots. That's how many more there are. I tell you to skip ahead in the video, but I couldn't tell you to skip ahead to, let's say, 10 minutes or 15 minutes because I have no idea where to skip ahead to. So I might tell you, if I told you to skip ahead 20 minutes, the video might not end up being 20 minutes long. If I told you to skip ahead, or I could tell you 20 minutes, and 20 minutes is just the tip of the iceberg. So just skip ahead somewhere. Oh, my camera's backwards, huh? So when I move left, it moves right. When I move right, it moves left. That's so weird. Wonder why they didn't make the camera flip. Is that a way you can flip it? What does this button do? Oh, there we go. That's me for real. Why didn't I do that in the last video? So weird. I wonder, yeah, okay, we're in the right video. So you want to skip ahead. Got him in the corner, somewhere there. Cause I say, like, look, and skip ahead to here, maybe, or skip ahead to here, or skip ahead to here. I don't know. Anyway, this is gonna go on for a while. I'm watching here. I'm gonna get closer. So it's actually just doing the setup now. It's telling you what it's doing. Now, mind you, one of the things about PuTTY is you only get, let's say, 500, the last 500 lines. So you can't go back more. You can change that. If you go here, you can actually go back and change settings. So you can't change all your settings. Obviously, you can't change the connection settings, but you can change the behavior of the windows. You can change the font, and you can change, oh yeah, window. So lines of scroll back, it's actually 2000 lines, but you can make it bigger if you wanted to. Sometimes if you're working, maybe not on a Ubuntu, but if you're working on a config file, for example, let's say you're configuring a router or a switch or something, you might, and you've SSH'd or you're using a serial console, you might want to have the ability to go back much further than 2000 lines. But 20,000 lines is not possible. Because if I go back to settings, window, oh yeah, I can do 20,000. For some reason, I thought it would have defaulted to another number. So we're almost done, I think. Alright, so we're all done. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll answer it. Thank you.